Industrial automation, empowering the future of manufacturing. In this presentation, explore how smart devices, including smart access control and renewable energy, transform industries. Discover the potential of PLC, SCADA, IoT, and more for efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Smart access control, securing entries and exits. Biometric authentication. Systems can use fingerprint, facial, or iris recognition to verify access. Mobile access. Users can control access through smartphone apps, allowing for remote management. Real-time monitoring. These systems track and record access events, providing comprehensive audit trails. Rolling motor shutters. Automated rolling motor shutters improve efficiency. Integrating these devices optimizes operations. Motorized shutters. Automated and efficient for smooth operations. Enhanced security. Advanced protection for industrial facilities. Integrating smart CCTV camera. CCTV cameras act as a deterrent against theft and vandalism by providing constant surveillance. They help protect valuable assets and maintain a secure environment for employees. Real-time monitoring. Continuous surveillance for instant insights. Two-way communication. Instant communication with personnel on site. Enhanced safety. Proactive security measures for a safer environment. Automated lighting solutions. Smart lighting systems optimize energy consumption. Automated controls adjust lighting based on occupancy. Reduce costs and promote sustainability. Energy efficient. Reduce power consumption with smart lighting. Automated controls. Adjust lighting based on occupancy and time. Sustainable solutions. Promote eco-friendly operations. Smart gates, automating perimeter access. Smart gates enhance security and efficiency by automating access control at entry and exit points. Automated operation. These gates can be programmed to open and close automatically based on preset schedules or triggered by authorized personnel. Remote control. Operators can manage gates remotely through mobile apps, granting or denying access from anywhere. Integrating IoT devices for industrial machines. IoT devices connect machines for data collection and analysis. Predictive maintenance reduces downtime. Improve efficiency and productivity with IoT. Data collection. Gather real-time insights from machines. Predictive maintenance. Minimize downtime and optimize performance. Improve productivity. Enhance efficiency across the facility. Smart fire alarm systems for enhanced safety. Advanced fire alarm systems provide early detection. Integrated alerts and automated responses ensure safety. Protect personnel and assets with smart systems. Early detection. Rapid fire detection technology. Integrated alerts. Instant notifications for quick response. Automated response. Automated suppression and evacuation. Renewable energy. Sustainable power generation reduces emissions and promotes environmental responsibility. Investing in renewable energy ensures a greener future. Unlock incredible energy-saving potential with wind turbines and solar panels, which help you to be a part of a greener future. Conclusion: unlocking the potential of industrial automation. Smart devices and automation transform industries. Embrace these solutions for enhanced efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Drive innovation and success in the future of manufacturing. Quemahtech Automation. Driving business success with comprehensive industrial automation solutions. Partner with us to boost efficiency, quality, and productivity. Harness the power of automation for a smarter future.